Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Why do we get a lot of creative ideas when we shower? It is said that the bathroom has long been known as the place where germs die, but where ideas thrive. While one is distracted when cleaning his body, the rest of his mind begins to explore unusual ideas that he might ignore if in different situations. It is also said that washing hair with shampoo does not require a lot of cognitive focus until other parts of the brain begin to create new ideas. While one part of our mind focuses on external stimuli, the remaining part relaxes to process a wide range of inspirational ideas, which explains why productivity increases when working in a cafe or what makes thinking of a problem while running great. Showering is recommended early in the morning or late at night when one's mind is bolder and more creative. One is more creative when tired, especially when bathing before going to sleep. If showering is one of the morning's first activities, it is likely that one's mind will remain at the same level of creativity it has acquired during sleep. For many people, showering is a means of relaxation and self-effacement, especially after a hard day. Warm water and the steam from it give the body a sense of comfort, which leaves the mind feeling comfortable as well. One should enjoy the moment he spends in the bathroom where he can stimulate his mental abilities and discover creative ideas. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.